So that's pretty much the whole idea. So here's the thing. In the last video that I made and I posted on YouTube, मैंने ये बोला कि मुझे YouTube पे और videos बनाने हैं. I want to be more consistent on YouTube, but मुझे बिल्कुल idea नहीं है that what am I gonna make videos about. So then I got to thinking a little bit and I realized there's one thing. Now I don't know if anybody else is doing this or not. If anybody else is not doing this, so I can call it my own concept. And if somebody else is doing it, then maybe we can just fall in the league and we can do that. Now the idea is that I am going to make videos on weekends and I'm gonna call it as weekend vlogs or weekend videos. I'm not so sure, but yeah, that's the thing. Now the whole idea behind this weekend vlog thing is that कि मैं अगर weekend पे कहीं भी travel कर रहा हूँ, so I want to take you guys with me. मैं चाहता हूँ कि wherever I go. Now what happens is कि I am working in a company, so मुझे Monday to Friday I don't really get time and Saturday Sunday 2 ही दिन ऐसे आते हैं जहाँ पे मुझे कुछ मेरे लिए करने के लिए टाइम मिलता है. So just to do that, I thought that a lot of you have said this thing before कि why don't I like make vlogs and you guys are like interested to know कि भाई what's happening behind the scenes, what's happening in my life, etc and maybe like my brother's life. So just to get the hang of it, मेरे दिमाग में idea आया कि let's start this thing, let's start vlogging on weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays, because there is one thing that you guys should know about me, and that is that I hate staying at home. And this whole COVID situation has sucked up so much कि like the company I'm working for, उसमें भी हमारा work from home है, so कहीं आने जाने के लिए time नहीं मिलता है. So tackling all of those things, this thing hit my mind and I was like, why not do this? Why not start making videos on weekends? Why not wherever I go, I'm just gonna make videos about that thing and I'm gonna share it with you guys, and let's see if you guys like it or if you guys don't like it. What are the things I can work on? What are the things I can change? Or if everything looks perfect to you. So that's pretty much the whole idea about weekend vlogs. Yeah. So let me know if you guys are excited for it. If you are, then please comment down. Let me know if you are excited for it. And जैसे भी जो भी plan होते हैं मेरे life के, I'm just gonna share it with you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video that is going to be tomorrow, because tomorrow is a weekend. So if you don't want to miss that, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that subscribe button. Like I hope you know how to subscribe to the channel, right? Yeah, good. So subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys tomorrow. Till then, please take care, stay safe, क्योंकि COVID वापस बहुत ज़्यादा फैल रहा है. So please make sure that you're safe at your home and don't miss out the fun on my vlogs. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe. Love you all. हमारे वॉचमैन भैया तो सो रहे हैं.